Okay, toilet cleaning isn't fun, but this part totally is. Just wait for the fizz. I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I've been formulating a way to make bathroom cleaning faster and less toxic. And this Sprinkle Sparkle recipe is a winner. It is effective, it's natural, and it's surprisingly fun to make. Here's your ingredient breakdown. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of citric acid, 2 tablespoons of baking soda for that heavy lifting fizz, a half teaspoon of SCI powder, sodium cocoyl isocyanate, to boost the cleaning power. And we're going to use 36 drops of lemon, 8 drops of oregano, and 18 drops of energy blend for a powerful, fresh scent. You'll also want a small glass jar for storage. And while you're mixing the dry ingredients, you are going to want a face mask. If you're a subscriber, you'll get everything but baking soda in the jar right in your April cleaning box. Before we start, let's put on our face mask. This SCI powder is ultra fine, so we wear a mask while we mix the dry ingredients. It's biodegradable and gentle, but we don't want to breathe it in as it can cause you to sneeze or cough. Combine 2 tablespoons of citric acid, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of SCI. Mix slowly to keep the dust down. The citric acid and baking soda create the fizz, and the SCI powder gently boosts the cleaning power. Now for the chemistry boost. We're adding 36 drops of lemon, 18 drops of energy, and 6 drops of oregano. Stir until it looks like damp sand. Once it's incorporated, the dust is gone, so the mask can come off. Seal the jar and label it for storage. 1 tablespoon is all you need. The fizz lifts the buildup, and because we used oregano and lemon, it actually smells clean, not like a chemical factory. I formulated this recipe for our April cleaning recipe box. If you want to stop guessing and start making your own non-toxic home, this box has everything you need to get started. Plus, when you subscribe, we throw in a big bonus box to kickstart your whole DIY journey. A new theme every month. Let's test it out. That worked a little too well. The fizz helps lift the buildup and it smells fresh and bright. No harsh chemical smell at all. Fresh, clean, and completely natural. When you make this, take a picture and share it on social media and tag From Simply Earth and use hashtag #IMadeThis. I'm giving away a $100 gift card to one creator this month. I'll see you in the next video.